I challenged myself for every 1 subscriber I get, I got 1 mile. This is how it went.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Actually, that's not how it happened. I'll have to explain.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the number 5 of the bike riding video. This is endurance video slash my challenge video. Well, so if you haven't heard, I put a short on YouTube saying that every 1 subscriber I get, I have to drive 1 mile. I got 46 subscribers off that video, so I have to drive 46 miles. I don't know how long it's going to take. My estimation would take about 2 hours maximum. I really don't know, but I hope that I could do it. I mean, it's like almost 100 degrees outside today, but I'm gonna push through it. It's a challenge. People subscribe just to see this. So if you want to see more of this, more challenges like this of me riding my bike, please let me know by liking. And also I might post more shorts. At this point in time, as of recording this, spring is just right around the corner, so I'll be able to ride this thing more often.
So first off, I took off the brake handle so that I could actually put the other brake handle on, which actually took me a little while to get all of the things off.
I still have to put the back brake light on my bike, and then I have to mount this remote control somewhere. I still have to put that on, so I'm gonna go do it. So I have added the brake light, the blinkers, which all comes to this. Even got a horn. Got a horn as well. And it has like 12 different horns. And then I added a brake handle with 2 separate cable holes right there. So how this would work is I'm going to have this GPS speedometer on constantly throughout the whole entire thing and see how many miles I have driven. Now there's a duration right here. That's how long it's going to take me. And there's my distance right there. And this is how fast I'll be going. And that's going to show me how much top speed I have. So I'm going to have this running in the background the whole time. And then it's going to show me how long I've been doing it and how many miles I've drove. I'm going to get started. So I'm right here where I normally park my bicycle. So I'm 47 minutes in, I drove 13 miles, and my top speed is actually 33. So I'm going good, going strong.
And if y'all are wondering, I did have to make like 10 laps around the same place. That's why some of the footage shows the same place over and over. And if you were wondering, this is real. I did not fake any of this. I actually sat on the bike for 3 hours, drove 50 miles, just for any of y'all who thought this was a little fake. I can't just have the video like 3 hours long. I had to cut it up to make it more enjoyable and more interesting.
So I got 35.2 miles as my top speed, and I've been going for about an hour and a half, but only done like 28 miles so far. So I still got just about 20 miles left to go. It's 5:20, so I got enough time to do it for the rest of the day.
At this point, I was going up a hill, so it was starting to slow down a little bit. I am in the middle of nowhere. Absolute nowhere. Which I don't know what this thing is, to be honest. It looks like an old gas pump. Well, there used to be a gas station here. Ain't no more, but this is, I guess this is how they used to tally the numbers up for how many gallons of gas and how much you had to pay. That's pretty cool. That's a relic of history right there. It's history. And 2 hours in, I'm at 36.9 miles. Only got 9 miles left. Top speed still 30. What in the? Anyway, still 35.2. Problem is, I'm almost out of gas. Look, let me focus that real quick. I'm almost out of gas. You can see that. Might need to go home and refill some of it, but I only got 9 more miles left. So I only used 1 gallon, 1 tank of gas, which is only a half a gallon. So if I keep going, this probably lasts me about another 3 miles, I guess. I don't know if it lasts the whole 10, but it might last me till I get home. But that whole tank of gas, half a gallon, lasts for almost 40 miles. So if you think it's 80 miles to a gallon, 80 miles to a gallon of gas. I got my great Powerade, or actually it's cherry Powerade. I got my Powerade and some water in that thermal bottle. Let's get into this. Look how much gasoline I got left. I literally was almost out of the tank. I didn't think I was gonna make it home, to be honest. So I'm gonna fill this tank up.
Guys, I have almost made it. I'm at 45.3 miles total distance I have done. In almost 3 hours. I originally thought that it was going to take me about 2 hours, but my fastest time was 35 still. So if that's the case, then if it's 100, which is about 2 times more than that, it'd take me 6 hours. 6 hours to do 100 miles. Well, I only got 0.7% miles to go. So I'm going to finish it up and see, let's go. See what happens. So it's 6:46 now. So almost 3 hours in, I'm at 47 miles, which is 35.2 is my top speed. And I did this all in one go. I had no brakes. If I kept going like this, 100 miles would be about 6 hours, or maybe even 7 hours. We did it. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all want me to do any more challenges, please just subscribe and like this video. Please make this video worth it a lot. 3 hours of my day just spent riding almost 50 miles. Well, I enjoyed it. I had fun. So please just like and subscribe. And I hope y'all stay tuned for the next episodes. I'm trying to work on other projects. We just finished the bug, but this bug is I got to edit 2 more videos of the bug. One's 44 minutes long, raw footage I had to edit. The other one I don't really know. But then I'm restoring an old bicycle. So stay tuned for that. I think that video might come out next week after this video is posted. So please subscribe and I'll see y'all later. Bye.